In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your X.com or Twitter account is rate limited using simple signs, warning messages, and a few quick tests you can do in just a couple of minutes. This is really helpful if you suddenly can't like posts, follow accounts, send messages, repost, or publish new tweets, and you're not sure whether it's a glitch, a temporary restriction, or a rate limit. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media guides. Let's get into it. First, start by looking for the most common signs. If your account is rate limited, you may notice that you can't follow new accounts, like posts, repost content, send direct messages, post new tweets, or even reply to tweets. Sometimes the action just won't go through, and sometimes it will look like it worked, but then fail again when you try a second time. The key thing here is to pay attention to whether one action is broken or several actions are failing at once. Next, try the action again and watch for any warning messages. X will often give clues like rate limit exceeded, try again later, you are being rate limited, or this request appears automated. These messages are one of the clearest signs that your account has hit a temporary limit. If you see one of these prompts, that's usually your answer right there. After that, test a few different features on the platform. Try liking a post, then try following an account, then try posting a tweet. If only one feature fails, it could be a temporary bug. But if multiple actions fail across the platform, your account is much more likely to be temporarily rate limited. This is especially true if the failures happen back-to-back within a short period of time. Now, another important step is checking whether X itself is having a broader issue. Open your browser and visit Downdetector, then search for X or Twitter. If lots of other users are reporting problems at the same time, the issue may not be your account at all. It could be a platform-wide outage or service disruption, which can feel a lot like a rate limit. You should also review your recent activity honestly. Ask yourself whether you followed a lot of accounts in a short time, liked hundreds of posts very quickly, sent many direct messages, posted repeatedly in a short period, or used automation tools or browser extensions. Any of these behaviors can trigger temporary limits, especially if they look suspicious or unusually fast to the system. If you've been active in a burst, that may be exactly why your account is being restricted. Another thing to check is whether connected third-party apps may be causing the issue in the background. Sometimes old dashboard tools, scheduling apps, or connected services keep pinging X's API and trigger rate limit errors without you realizing it. To check this, log into X on your computer. Click More in the left-hand menu, then go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, and then Apps and Sessions. From there, open connected apps and review anything linked to your account. If you see tools you no longer use, disconnecting them can help reduce background requests and prevent repeated errors. If you still think you've been rate limited, the final step is simple. Wait it out. Stop performing the affected action, give it a few hours, and try again later. Most temporary rate limits are removed automatically once the cooldown period ends. In many cases, just stepping away for a while is enough for the restriction to clear. To avoid getting rate limited again in the future, try not to overdo liking, following, or messaging. Spread your activity throughout the day instead of doing everything at once. Avoid aggressive automation tools, and keep your account secure and verified if possible. A safer, slower activity pattern usually helps prevent these restrictions from happening again. And just to be clear, X does not provide a dedicated rate limit status page for normal users. So the easiest way to confirm it is by watching for repeated action failures and temporary restriction messages. If this video helped you figure out what's happening with your account, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more X and Twitter troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.